In a sudden rainforest thunderstorm, a climber wrestles wind and rain to find immediate shelter. They rig a compact tarp between two vines, creating a hanging cocoon that blocks spray yet breathes. A damp leaf funnels condensation into a tiny bottle, yielding a reliable sip from scarce water. With a small mirror, whistle, and steady nerves, they practice rescue signals while conserving energy. Viewers are asked to share clever Canopy hacks and vote on the next extreme wilderness challenge online.